Welcome to this tutorial video for the new UO Alumni Association member portal. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a saved payment method to your profile for easier checkouts. To begin, go to uoaa.uoalumni.com/login, or if you're on our member portal homepage already, click the login link at the top. Log in with your established login information. And once you're logged in, you'll go to the Payment Methods menu on the left-hand side and click the Add New Payment Method button. You can see credit and debit or ACH are available as payment types. Once you've inputted your information into the screen, click the Save button at the bottom, and your payment method will now be saved to your member portal.